Alright, what I'm doing here is testing out my fuel gauge, vibrator, and the sending unit. So you can see I've got the positive, the yellow wire running to the back of the fuel gauge where it is hooked up. The green wire is the ground running to the back of the vibrator. I have a black wire running to the negative side of the battery, and I have the positive red cable running to the positive side of the battery. Once I hook this up, you'll see if the gauge is actually any good. Alright, now, as the sending unit is registering empty right now, I'm going to raise the floats up and let's see what happens. Our needle begins to move as the vibrator heats up the elements inside. So it looks like the gauge and vibrator are actually working, but as earlier I was not getting accurate ohm measurements on the sending unit. So looks like I'm in need of a new sending unit. Hope this helps somebody out there that is trying to do the same thing.